Since when does a stock D series have an LSD? 30 days, dude. 1 whole month. This car has just been chilling right here. 1 almost flat tire, 1 extra flat tire. And as far as the battery, yeah, she starts, boys. So I parked the Civic, we took Jenny drifting, we boosted the BRZ, I picked up Jasmine, and we bagged and did a couple other things to the truck. And now that I've cleaned up the loose ends on all the other builds, it's time to show this thing some love. Who the f lowered this car so much? All this shit does is rub. Why you gotta be like this, dude? Squirt the windshield! You feel the VTEC, bro? Yo, have you heard?
Heard what?
Katie.
Katie. Is that what the subscribers are saying?
Katie wasn't the most popular, but it's the, in my opinion, makes the most sense. It's an EK, and it's getting a K swap, and all they're doing is throwing a T at the end for turbo. So like KT, like a KT.
Oh, is that's Katie?
That's Katie. That's what they're saying. So like they're saying call it Katie because it'll be like either an EK with a turbo or like a K swap with a turbo. Yeah. So no matter how you want to spin it.
That's pretty cool.
It's Katie.
I'd rock that. Katie's gonna need some spice though.
Katie right now, Katie is more like but she'll be Katie one day. So one of the first things we did for this car was we picked up the K-swap. You guys saw that. I came to Chris's house and robbed it out of your barn and I was like, yo, I need this right now. And then like nothing happened. It's just been like a month and nothing happened, but there's a good reason for that. You guys obviously know that I've been living with my parents since we moved back home. I don't want to bring like my engine hoist and like my engine stand and all that stuff to my dad's garage because there's nowhere to put it inside. It has to live outside.
Oh yeah.
I ain't trying to leave my stuff outside in the weather when in like a week and a half we ain't gonna need to have it outside anymore. So we just held off. In like a week and a half we can dig into this thing comfortably. But carrying on with the fact that we are doing like the eBay affordable build with this thing, we got some cool stuff to take care of today.
Oh, it's a 2-piece?
I guess.
Or you got 2 of them?
I don't know. I think it might be a 2-piece.
It's always Christmas with Robbie.
Did you figure it out? Yeah, but they give you a replacement this piece with the mounts. So we gotta take this off, it looks like, and put this, looks like it goes on, you know what I mean?
Literally it's just gonna sit.
Like that?
Yeah, like that.
Alright, so this stuff, of course, was another eBay special.
I'd say it looks like it's about 120, 150 bucks.
Pretty sure it's about 130 bucks. It actually cost this much. We're keeping this one simple.
Little knob.
That's my lock knob.
Oh, wow, this thing's old.
Been this guy? Locked.
Damn. That's sad that I didn't know that.
We should just get one of those splitter rods and just like put a splitter rod from here to this and just call this like the Stance Boy 5000.
That would be. That's a Duckbill 5000.
Yeah.
The wing goes on first and then we put this on the car.
And then we put it all together.
Yeah.
And honestly, like it feels pretty nice. Like it doesn't feel like it's, like I felt a lot of shitty things in my day. You buy things on eBay, your expectations are right there.
Yeah.
And this is pretty good.
It feels like the same material as like my window spoiler and it was a D-Max.
There you go. D-Max equals eBay. You think you can confidently stuff this tiny little guy in the only deep hole in the whole house?
I'm gonna try.
You focus real good. Oh!
I think we got it.
Nice.
That was sketchy, did you see that?
Yeah, that was almost a fail.
Okay.
That was easy. Yeah, close her down, see what happens.
Not bad.
Yo, that's not bad.
I'd give the eBay Fitment a good like 8.5 at least.
Yeah. It's really close, like the lines line up. From the front, you don't even really notice it. You like notice it, but it's nothing big and obnoxious. It just looks cool. Yo, I actually like it. I actually think it's really, it's like the most aggressive thing so far on the car just because it's edgy, the whole car's round.
I like how like it has like that classic unfinished fingerprint job on it.
Yeah.
Too, you know?
Yeah. We're telling you guys this is gonna be like an like affordable type build. We're gonna leave everything kind of like raw like this until the day that we kind of change the whole car's color. First little bit of spice on the Civic. Actually looks pretty rad.
Making the booty more fruity today, you know?
The booty more fruity. We're gonna have the fruitiest eBay booty you guys have seen on the Civic so far. Chris actually bought like, there's like a whole story to go with it. You guys don't care. He had an EK Civic at one point, just like came and went. And it had like some lips and some things on it to go with the fruity booty.
We got this nice lip.
I honestly don't know what it is.
It's a fiberglass.
It's a fiberglass special. It's nice though.
It'll go on and
it'll look rad. It'll give the booty a little little bit more girth, which is something I never did at the EG. Can someone say Need for Speed Underground 2? Does it not? Like, yo, what is
Turn
this?
this thing into a square block.
We did. We just turned this thing into a Lego. Ooh, well.
I'm not feeling it, to be honest.
No, me neither, yo. Like, I don't understand how it made such a bubble. Like 2 seconds ago, this car was a bubble, and now it's a cube. All right, well, thank you for.
Now do another one. Let's have another look here.
It's actually nuts how round to square that he just went.
No, we gotta make
Short-lived.
sure that the wing is gonna stay on, right? Or no?
Oh, we got to do a speed test?
Wind test?
Is that what I'm hearing? Speed test? Wind test? This thing has an unheard of 0 to 60 time. I'm talking the worst. The worst you've ever been in. And not only do I want to show you how sad it is, but I think this will be cool because when we like put the K-swap in, we can do it again. So like,
yeah.
we'll try a clutch dump and we'll see what happens. It just bogs. That's 80.
It literally danks of clutch.
60. How terrible was that? I'll try and roll onto this one a little bit better. Oh, not bad, not bad. Oh, you could hear the clutch going on that one. 60.
That's 60?
Yeah. Phenomenal. Leash. 0 to 6 times. Oh, this is a crater. Oh.
We'll probably be able to stop before this tee, right?
Do you think so?
Maybe.
You want to call this a good enough speed test for the wing? We got a wing still?
I don't know.
Yeah, I'd say we got a wing.
I think we got a wing.
Do you think this thing will rip a burnout? Before we even try, should we try?
Yeah, maybe.
It'll do a burnout, buddy. Yo, does this thing have an LSD? I find it hard to believe, but we just left 2 tire marks. Since when does a stock D series have an LSD? So you think the wing looks sick now? You think the wing would look sick ripping a fat burnout?
100%.
Now that we're out of the garage, you can see it way better. I love taking things outside after you
It
work
actually
on
looks so sick, especially with like the barn in the back, man. I think we're all feeling that was a little weak. We're gonna get him to do a round 2 and hopefully he can bust it up a little better.
Did the wing look good though?
The wing looked great.
I can't wait to build this thing and care about it. Because right now I just don't.